Y'all are amazing. I mean, what a gift. Thank you so much. If you ain't leaving, I ain't leaving. So, yeah, I feel like, can we bring it way back to like how it used to be with one microphone? And I want to play a song about the storms of life. We got our family out here on the road. I'm very biased, and they're the best people on the planet. We got Ryan Nichols running the sound, Jerry running the lights, Josh Pfeiffer selling t-shirts. You already met Jordan Willett taking pictures. We got Adam Davis running everything over here. And tuning the guitars and keeping everything just amazing on stage, Nathan Culberson from Asheville. Sending up a prayer for all our friends in Asheville, the literal storms that y'all are going through. If you think about it, send up a prayer tonight for Nathan and the rest of the folks that live in Nashville. Not Nashville, but Asheville. Without the, and yeah. But we've all got storms that we're passing through, right? So this is for anyone who's going through a rough spot. This is a song called Hello Hurricane. And like I said, this morning I woke up without a voice. You have been my voice, Worcester. Thank you so much for singing with us tonight. I have no show tomorrow, so I'm spending it all right here, right now in Worcester. Sing it like this. Sing that. Hey, I'm singing. I've been watching the sky. They've been turning blood red. It's not a doubt in my mind anymore. There's a storm up ahead. Yes, and I'm singing, hello hurricane, you're not enough. Oh, hello hurricane, you can silence my love. I've got doors and windows boarded up. Yeah, only your debt and still not enough. You can't silence my love. Oh, my love. Everything I have becomes lost. Everything I have is stripped away. Before I started building, I counted up these cars. I got nothing left for no one to take away. Yes, and I'm singing, hello hurricane, you're not enough. Oh, hello hurricane, you can't